What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. My style, untouchable when I'm in my zone. Alright guys, y'all see the title, y'all know what it is. It is another Amazon product that I want to share with you guys. I picked it up for only $24.99. Boom! Right there, buddy. Oh yeah! It is called ZingYou, ZingYou USB microphone right there. Right off the bat. Opening the box, you will see your microphone, which is right here. It is plastic. This is metal. Thank goodness. This right here is metal. The tripod stand, they take that out if you want. I was actually looking for a mic that lets you talk like this because I think that's pretty cool. It might look a little funny, but hey man, it's whatever, alright? So that's how it looks like right there. Whoa. Up next in this box, you get this cool little pop filter thing right here. Man, cool. And this part right here, it's not like those mesh, it's like metal. So that's pretty cool. You know, it feels pretty good quality, and you can put it right here or on top. Let's put that together while I have it already. What the heck? Okay. Alright, so whoever packaged this thing, they put it wrong. So we're gonna have to take this out and then put it on the other side. Because this part right here is for the pop filter, so it goes in this way. How am I supposed to use it if it's like this, right? Come on, dude. Am I talking this way? Am I talking that way? Come on, guys, get it together. That's 1 point off. 1 point off. Just kidding. I'm not sponsored, by the way, right? So everything I'm saying is from my perspective and own opinions. Let's take it out like that. It has these rubber bands right here. You just put in the middle and it's gonna be snugly. So this is the microphone, that's how it looks like. Hey yo baby, what's up? Okay, I'm gonna put that in there. Right in the middle of the square, just like so. And it's gonna be wobbly, which is pretty good because you're like banging on the table or something, or you hit your boom arm. The mic itself will be safe and it won't catch any of those vibration sounds coming in. Now, let's take the pop filter and shove it right in. Like so. Right there, and then clicks into place, and that's how it looks like. For sure. That's clean, huh guys? Dang. Dope. You can even push it forward if you want, or back a little bit more. I think this is pretty good right there. I think that's like an inch or two away from the pop filter. Okay, alright, let's go into the mic a little bit. On the back side right here, you get a volume rocker. I think that's only the gain for the mic. It's not gonna work for like headphones or other audio like your speakers and stuff. It's not gonna work for that. Only for the mic itself to make it louder or lower. It got 3.5 headphone jack right there. Just kind of sad because I don't got any laying around. I really want to test that out because I heard a lot of good feedbacks from it. I heard the latency is like 0, so when you're talking into the mic, you can actually hear yourself talking perfectly, and it's not gonna throw you off like an echo coming back at you. It's not like that. So once you're talking on it, it's a real time, you know, you're gonna get the feedback just like that. That's pretty cool. Hopefully that makes sense. If it didn't, I'm very sorry. Okay guys, I'm running out of time. Okay, I got work in a couple of hours, so yeah. Alright, other than that, you got a USB type C port right there, which is dope, which is awesome. You don't really see that often, you know, so that's pretty dope to see. And I have a whole bunch of these cords laying around, or these cables laying around. Next up, you get your cable, which we was just talking about. Alright, let's unravel this bad boy. Alright, there you go, and it's like pretty long. That's what she said. Next up, you guys just get this fall in love with your own voice thing, your user manual. Yeah, from ZingYou. If you guys want to pick one of these mics up, I will leave a link down below. It is an affiliate link that will help out me and my channel a lot. I'll be most appreciated. Thank you very much, guys. Alright, now I'm gonna plug this bad boy into my computer and we're gonna test out the quality. Yeah, let's go. Plug this right here. Oh, bang. I'm going to be using Audacity, making sure Audacity is reading your microphone. Okay, and we are back. I had some technical difficulties, but I got it to work. Now it is connected and it will show microphone ZingYou. Comparing that to my other microphone called the Myono. This microphone right here, the Myono. Myono. I don't even know how to pronounce the name, y'all. If you guys know how to pronounce the name, I'm so sorry. I butchered the whole thing. But anyways, this microphone right here, when you plug it in, it doesn't have a name. It'll just show up as microphone, and it could be any different microphone. So that's the downfall between this and that. So right now I'm kind of digging the ZingYou a little bit better. If you guys want a comparison between the two sounds, let me know, comments down below, and I will. I also have a third microphone, which is called the Rockville RCM Pro. Yeah, I know a lot of people want to know how that sounds like, and I am going to do a video on that, so stay tuned, and I will be testing out the audio for you guys. Okay, sorry about that. I'm so sorry. All right, back to the ZingYou. All right, let's go, baby. Microphone testing, 1 2 1 2. What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. Ahaha, yeah, yes sir. Okay, let's play that back. Microphone testing, 1 2 1 2. What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. Ahaha, yeah, yes sir. Cool, that sounds pretty good. All right, I'm digging that. Okay, now let's up it up a little bit. I'm going to be using Cakewalk, and it's gonna have a little bit of effect on it. So let's see how that sounds like. Okay, we're gonna use the clean reverb. 1 2 1 2. Microphone testing. 1 2 1 2. What's good in the hood, everybody? What's good in the hood, Josh? Your homie back again with another video. I forgot my own intro, but it's all right. So yeah, this is a audio test on my new microphone that I bought on Amazon for $25. Okay, and it is called the ZingYou UD1. Forgot the name. UD1 USB microphone. All right, check it. Yeah. Okay, that's it. All right, I'm gonna stop. All right, let's play that back. I don't hear nothing. What happened? You guys gonna hear it in the video, so let me know in the comments down below how it sounds and if it's worth the cop, okay? What's up, y'all? This is me in the future. I am currently using this mic to do the voiceover right now. I just want to say a few things about this mic. I tested it out for music wise and found out the quality for vocals wasn't as crisp. But hey, what can you expect for 25 bucks, right? I forgot my Bringer headphones have a 3.5 jack, and once I plugged it in, man, it sounded amazing. I also made a video on my Bringer headphones, and if you want to check that out, link will be in the description box below. Overall, it's great for gaming, voiceovers, and podcasts, or you know, just on Discord chopping it up with the homies. If you're on a budget and want a great microphone for under 50 bucks, I highly recommend this microphone, y'all. Hopefully this video helped you guys out in any way, and if it did, please smash that like button.
Smash.
Subscribe to your homie for more content, more videos, Pokemon, mukbangs, food videos, reviews, cinematic videos, B-roll videos. I don't know. My channel's everywhere, like I said, but I am here to entertain. I'm here to do a lot of stuff, and I'm here to share with y'all any good treasures that I find. Okay, that is my time, y'all. I'm gonna have to leave. Sorry if this video seemed a little rush or anything, because I'm rushing. So hopefully you guys have a blessed day. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you so much for liking my videos, leaving comments, subscribing, all that good stuff, man. It means a lot. I really don't like people that much, but you guys are changing my mind about that. So one day at a time, I guess. One day at a time, right? With that being said, y'all, be safe, keep it breezy, and I'll see you on the future. Deuces. I made some iced coffee. ZingYou.